Wait, what? We're drilling. What the? Why are we drilling? Okay, hold on. Oh, monster glue. Give the cheeses more stretch. Bro, what the? Okay, who's gonna believe that's real? That looks gross. Oh, that does look real. What the heck? We got glue. We got powder, liquid starch. Okay, what are we doing here? We just made... What the heck? Bro. Slime keeps a liquid consistency. That looks... Dude, that slime looks real.
Why is my ex calling me, man? Hello?
Oh my God, I think somebody in my house.
What?
I think somebody's in the house.
How you know?
Because I can hear their footsteps.
Calm down, calm down. Where you at?
I'm in my room. I'm scared.
All right, look. Get under your bed.
What?
Get under your bed. Get under the bed right now.
Okay.
Are you under the bed?
Yeah.
All right, now put the phone on speaker so I can hear everything.
Okay. I hear him coming up the steps.
All right.
Oh my God, he in here.
He in the room now?
Oh my God, yes, he's in here.
She under the bed! That bitch is under the bed! Kill her ass!
No.
Hello?
Yes.
So I visited about 3 Targets, couldn't find these, so I placed an in-store pickup to pick these up in Longmont, Colorado. That's really good apple juice. Okay, let's see if this sounds like an apple. Let me show Crush. Okay, when you bite into this, it sounds like an apple.
No way.
Yeah, it's really, really cool. Here, see?
I need to try.
Go for it.
I want it.
No, Crush!
No, apple. 9.
Okay.
Watch this.
No. What are you doing?
Watch. I'll fix it. Watch.
What?
Are you a witch?
He's a witch, huh?
503 bricks on a plane and 1 falls off. How many are left? 502. How do you put an elephant in a fridge? You can't fit an elephant in a fridge. Open the door, put the elephant in, and close it. How do you put a giraffe in a fridge? Open the door, put the giraffe in, and close the door. No. Open the door, take the elephant out, put the giraffe in, and close it. The Lion King is having a birthday party. All the animals are there except for one. Which one? Let me guess, the lion. No, the giraffe, because he's in a fridge. Wow! Sally has to get across a large river with lots of alligators. They're dangerous, but she gets across safely. How? Sally stepped on the alligator's mouth. The gators are at the party. But Sally dies anyway. Why? She drowned? No, she got hit in the head by the flying brick.
Hello, welcome to the nail salon.
Hi.
Trời ơi, Charlie D'Amelio.
Wanna get my nails done?
Oh yeah, come here. Come with me. Okay, so...
Is it okay if I listen to music?
Oh yeah, of course. Go ahead. What the fuck are you doing? Stay still. What the hell?
Wait.
What the fuck? Trời ơi, okay, you want to play the dancing game, huh? Okay. Run the game, motherfucker. Get the fuck out.
Mom, can we get some McDonald's on the way home, please? God damn it, Aaron, I swear to God, if you ask me one more time, I'm gonna do what Ray Rice did to his girlfriend in the elevator, and you're not gonna like that. We have food at home, don't ask again. Shut up, Mom. If you decide to go home right now and not take me to McDonald's this instant, I'll just go walk up to Dad and tell him the guy that's been coming over and messing you up in the sheets when he's not around. Then when he leaves you, you'll have nothing because you're an unemployed piece of shit. You'll be homeless. So I suggest we go to McDonald's right now. Thank you, Mommy.
I don't want to see her again, and honestly on the back. Okay, class, name a word that starts with N and ER. You have 10 seconds. Go.
Numbers.
Good job. DeMonte.
Neurotransmitter.
Excellent. Your turn, Cortez.
Neutralizer.
Astonishing vocabulary. Jacob.
Never.
Use the word never in a sentence, Jacob.
I would never use the N-word.
Good job. That's what we thought you would say.
I said, like, Jade. Oh! Sorry, Mommy. I'm so sorry. It's okay. Jay spit her out the fridge. Go give Sissy a hug. Go give Sissy a hug. I'm posting all this because they play too much.
I just want you to know that I miss you and I love you. Can't wait for this shit show to be over so that I can touch people, drink with people, and have the best life ever.
It's you too, Tracy.
Jerry! Jerry, stop! Don't put that car in the pool! Jerry! Jerry, the car! Get it out of the pool, Jerry! I just bought that bottle, dude! What the hell? It's expensive! Bad duck!
Remember, guys, if you don't sin a little bit, Jesus died for nothing.
No, that's not it! Oh my gosh! What? Run! We're about to die!
Direct line of fire.
That's the face of disappointment.
Alright, so we're here with my gay best friend. We're about to give him his first female kiss.
Alright, guys, I'm so nervous.
Ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Can I tell you guys something real quick?
What?
I'm not gay. We made it to the sleepover, boys! Woo!
Wait! 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 Wait!
Trick or treat. Hey, nice costume, buddy. Here you go. Thank you. Trick or treat. Whoa, that's a good one. Trick or treat. Woo! You got me there, man. I'm not even wearing a costume. Trick or treat.
So today during the tropical storm, I saw these boys swimming in the ocean behind my house. And what they didn't know is it's always been my dream, but in 6 years of living here, I've never done it. So they saw me filming and they asked me to put the video on TikTok. What they didn't know was that I have 500,000 followers on TikTok. And one day they're gonna find the video and let's surprise them in making it go viral. Hard to see someone else live your dream.
That's what I said. He was like, you know what I'm saying? And I was like, what in the world? But don't do that here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Really? I thought the same thing. We think a lot alike, huh? Come on. That's crazy. Right.
Sometimes I like to turn on movies that are in Spanish, and then my kids look at me all confused and wonder why they can't understand it. And I say, well, I don't know why, but you're probably just tired and you need to take a nap. And And then when they wake up from their nap, I take the same movie and put it in English, and they think that they're all better.
Hey, Abby, let's make sure there's none of that premarital kissing stuff going on. Oh, Abby, what does this dude do for a living? Abby, I need my armpit hair extensions back. Those are mine. This is really nice, guys.
Stop it. Love each other.
Hey. What you doing?
I'm busy.
How busy would you say you are on a scale of 8 to 9?
14.
Squidward, I'm no mathematologist, but that seems like a lot.
It is!
Okay, quick survey. Are you busy or just busy?
What's busy? No, don't tell me. Don't tell me anything. Don't even tell me what you're doing here.
I found a jump rope.
I said not to tell me!
Okay, what are you in here for?
Well, my name's Juicy, and I'm in here for stealing hamburger.
How long are you in here for?
37 years to life. I also blew up a school bus, but that's not as notable as the hamburger.
Yeah, but what type of kids were on that bus? Were they normal kids, or were they special kids?
They were Fortnite kids.
Ah!
So why are you in here? That's what I said!
He's taking my brain out.
My neighbor owes me $500, but he won't pay up. What should I do? Do you have any proof that he owes you the money? Nope. Okay, then write him a letter asking for the $5,000 that he owes you. But it's only $500. Exactly. That's what he'll reply with, then you'll have the proof.
Hi. Are you Lightning? 'Cause you're McQueen. Oh! Mommy's honking. I'll catch you later, alligator. Ka-chow!
Well, he's not actually dead yet, but he has one more fucking time to get on my nerves, and I swear the guy is on.
Spell red.
Red? L-S-T-E-R.
What color is a carrot?
Carrot? I think it's a carrot. Carrot, but, I don't know about carrots. I don't know nothing about that.
If you dig a 6-foot hole, how deep is that hole?
It's about like 20 feet.
1 minus 1 equals?
Equals 35.
Yeah, baby. Oh shit!
Hey, back it out west.